All right, Mercedes fan, Gauze Garage coming to you from Amelia Island Concourse, and you're looking at a 1970 Mercedes. What is the model, sir?
280 SL.
280 SL. And take a look at this, folks.
Yes.
Outstanding. You know, it's cars like this that are among some of the best restored cars in the world, bar none. And here we have with us the owner of the car, the original owner. And let's turn it over to him.
Yes, I owned the car in 71 and 72. Sold it to a friend of mine who kept it for a daily driver for 40 something years. And then I got a chance to buy it back from him and do a complete restoration. We took 5 years to do the restoration.
Wow.
A company called Bud Spins out of Atlanta.
Fantastic. And you had let go of it for a short time to a friend of yours, right?
Yes,
Yes.
for 40 something years.
Oh, and now you have reacquired your original car.
Yes.
Yes.
And it also matches my wife's 271 250 sedan, which is light beige with a tobacco brown top, cognac interior that she bought brand new.
Wow. That is fantastic. So kind of matching his and hers cars.
Right, yes.
That's great. And you mentioned you showed this car Hilton Head and where else?
And Sand Hills
Mm-hmm.
up in North Carolina.
Fantastic.
And then we in Atlanta.
Excellent.
We show every year.
Mm-hmm.
And then here.
Oh, very good. Very, very good. Well, sir, I want to thank you personally very much for sharing with us the story on this car. And I'm going to finish doing the walk around so the audience can see just how nice this car is.
Okay.
Okay? Thank you.
Yes, sir.
And there you have it, folks. An excellent story on an excellent car from obviously excellent owners. And looking at the remainder of the job of this restoration, you soon get the idea of how nicely this car is done. And like I always say, you know it when you see it. And I see it. Oh, and one last thing, the raised top on each side so you don't bump your head. What is that referred to as?
The pagoda.
Oh, the
And
pagoda
that's the
top.
nickname for the car.
Okay, yes. You see how each side is raised up? That is the pagoda top for head clearance when you're getting ingress and egress out of the car. Nothing short of stunning, folks. The attention to detail, the correct nature. This is Gauze Garage coming to you from Amelia Island Concourse 2024. Thank you.